In the previous class, we have studied about the K-map, how to represent a K-map. Okay, there was a small mistake in that. In taking the first section, you are taking a 4-bit data. You're considering this 2 and 2. So you're getting a 4-bit data. When you're taking the AB part, you will get B bar. B bar is here. And over here, you're taking, you will get C bar. I forgot to write the C bar. Okay. Now we are dealing with K-map using don't care method. Using don't care. Okay. So the same thing, all the conditions are same. So you are expressing a don't care over here. Don't care means you're giving X. X can be either 0 or 1. Representation of X is either 0 or 1. If you're taking a pause form, you can take it as a 0. If you're taking a soft form, you can take it as 1. So that's a don't care. You can take either a 0 or a 1. So I'm giving you the same example that we have taken. ABCD. Function ABCD is equal to summation M 0, 1, 3, 2, 8, 9, 12, 15 plus don't care, it is D. It will be D, or directly it will give as a don't care plus sign into the bracket. Okay. So plus D. D means don't care. Your don't care term is let it be, I'm taking 10, 11, 14. Okay. So instead of this bracket, I'm giving it over here. So your don't care is 10, 11, 14. Let it be 2 also there. 2, 10, 11, 14. 2, 10, 11, 14. So we can give you a K-map. A K-map is given over here. It's a 4-bit data. It has shown. You're giving it A, B, C, D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You're giving 1, 1 over here. I told you it is a, as we are using a gray code conversion, only 1 bit changing should be there. So giving 0, 0, 1 to 1, 1. Okay. And we know the positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now you have to represent your summation. Your min terms. This is min terms. First you have to write your min terms. Then you have to go for your don't care terms. Okay. So my min term is 1, 0, 1, 3. This is 5. Okay. 5. 0, 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 12, 15. Okay. And your don't care terms are 2, 10, 11, 14. So 2 you have to give X, 10, 11, 14. See. So the conditions for a don't care is you should not group don't cares alone. If you're having 4 don't cares in adjacent sides, don't group the don't cares alone. There should be at least one in 1, 1. That means you're getting X, X, X like this. X1, X, X. Then you can group. If you don't have a 1 over here, then you're having X over here. Don't go for this grouping. Because this is a, what you can say, it is a don't care method. If you want the data, you can do it. Otherwise, you can consider as a don't care method. Don't mind whatever it is there. Okay. For a minimization, for grouping minimization only, you need to take this don't care method. Otherwise, you can skip it off. If a don't care is standing alone over here, look, if I'm giving, for example, if I'm giving an X over here, you can go for a 4-bit of data, isn't it? But you can't do that. you can't group all the x together. There should be at least a 1 over there. Then only you can go for the grouping. Hope you understood. Without a 1 inside the x term, you can't group. In Malayalam പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പറയാം ഒരു ഒന്ന് പോലും ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പിങ്ങിന് പോകരുത്. അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഒന്നെങ്കിലും അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. Okay, so now you can go for a grouping. First you can search whether you have a 16-bit grouping. 16-bit grouping you have all the terms should be covered. Now you have a vacant space over here, 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 here. If zeros are coming in between, then you can't go for a 16-bit grouping. Second thing, you can go for an 8-bit grouping. You can see whether you are having any column completely, any row completely. That means not a single row, 2 rows, adjacent rows should be there. Either this row and this row, this. I told you in the previous class how to take it. Okay, now when I'm folding, what happens if I'm folding? I can get a grouping over here. Look. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതായത് എനിക്ക് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇത് അത്യാവശ്യമാണ്. ഈ ഡോൺ കെയർ ഉപയോഗിച്ചാൽ ഇത് കണ്ടോ, നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ ചെയ്ത ഗ്രൂപ്പിങ്ങിനകത്ത് എനിക്ക് ഡോൺ കെയർ ഇല്ലാഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഇത്രയും വലിയ ലെങ്തി ബിറ്റ്സ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഗ്രൂപ്പിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ എക്സ് എന്ന ഡോൺ കെയർ എനിക്കിവിടെ എടുക്കാം. എപ്പോഴാണ് എനിക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം. ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഡോൺ കെയർ, ഇവിടെ രണ്ടും ഡോൺ കെയർ വന്നപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഇതിനെ 8 ബിറ്റായിട്ട് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം. നേരത്തെ ഞാനത് 4ആയിട്ടാണ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചത്, പിന്നെ 2 എടുത്തു ഇല്ലേ. സോ ടു അവോയ്ഡ് ദാറ്റ് എനിക്കിതിനെ 8 ബിറ്റ്, എനിക്ക് ഗ്രൂപ്പിങ്ങിന് ഇത് അത്യാവശ്യമായതുകൊണ്ട് മാത്രം ഞാൻ ഇത് എടുത്തു. ഇപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ എക്സ് ആണ്, ഞാൻ എടുക്കത്തില്ല. എക്സ് തന്നെയാണെങ്കിൽ എടുക്കത്തില്ല. ഇനി ഇവിടെ എല്ലാ എക്സും ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് എടുക്കാം. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ എനിക്ക് അത്യാവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ എക്സ് ഡോൺ കെയർ മെത്തഡിനെ സഹായം തേടാവൂ. ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ, മിനിമൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി എനിക്ക് അത്യാവശ്യം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിലേക്ക് പോകരുത്. ഇവിടെ മൊത്തം എക്സും ഇവിടെ മൊത്തം എക്സും ആണെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. എന്നാൽ ഇവിടെ ഒരു 1ഉം ബാക്കി എല്ലാ എക്സും ആണെങ്കിൽ, മേളും താഴെ എക്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം. കാരണം എക്സിന്റെ കൂടെ ഒരെണ്ണെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം. അതാണ് ഹൈലൈറ്റ്. മൊത്തം എക്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യരുത്, ഒരെണ്ണെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് അതിനെ എടുക്കാം. Okay, hope you got that. Now when you're considering the A and B term, okay, rest are the C. A and B term you will get B bar. Here you can't take anything, all are changing. This C is changing from 0 to 0, then it is going for 1, isn't it? D is changing from 0 to 1, again 1, then 0. So double changings are there, so you can't go for C. Now your expression will be reduced to B bar. Okay, next you have to consider the other terms. Look, any other terms I can take using 8 bit. Here in middle there are 0, so I can't take. Then I am going for, look over here, this is a big example. There's only one over here. I can take it as a 4-bit grouping, isn't it? In the previous it was a single bit grouping. Now I got 3x in the adjacent side, so I can go for a 4-bit grouping instead of 2. Okay, when going for a 2-bit grouping, what happens? A is 1, you will get A, and the corresponding data of C and D. C is not changing, D is changing, so you can take it at C. Again I have to check whether I can get any other grouping. 1 is over here, 1 is here, 2 x's are here, isn't it? So I can group like this. For minimizing your data, only you are taking this x, otherwise you can skip it off. Okay, Now considering if okay, now I am taking over here, you will get again A, and the two terms over here you will get C is changing from 0 to 1 and D is 0 to 0, and that is D bar. Okay. Now you have to check whether one more data. All the ones should be grouped. ഇതിനകത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ വണ്ണും ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയിരിക്കണം. ആ വണ്ണ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ എക്സിന്റെ സഹായം തേടുന്നു എന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. Okay. So this is a single one over here. I can't go for a 4-bit grouping because the adjacent terms are 0. എനിക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ പോകാമായിരുന്നു, അല്ല ഇവിടെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് 4-bit എടുക്കാമായിരുന്നു. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഓക്കെ. ഇവിടെ എടുക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് വേറെ നിവൃത്തി ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഒരു 2-bit, ഏറ്റവും നിവൃത്തി കെട്ട സമയത്ത് 2-bit 1-bit ഒക്കെ പോകുന്നത്. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ 8-bit 4-bit ആയിരിക്കണം. 16 ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഏറ്റവും നല്ലത്. ഒരു 0യും ഇല്ല, എക്സും 1ഉം മാത്രമാണെങ്കിൽ 16-bit എടുക്കാം. ആൻസർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 ആയിരിക്കും. Okay. Correspondingly, you are getting the data over here. What data you are getting over here? You will get A bar, and over here C bar D. All the ones has been grouped, and the final answer expression will be reduced to 1, 2, 3, 4. In the previous you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements, and that too was a lengthy statement. Now you are getting only 2-bit and 3-bit data maximum. Okay, we can go for another question for making little more understand. Function PQRS is equal to summation M 0, 1, 2 5, 7, then 8, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14, 14 plus summation D. Different type it can be given. Okay, suppose they won't give anything, just plus bracket. You should understand that it is a don't care method. Okay, we get 3, 4 and 9. Whatever term you can let it be, whatever is given. This is from my mind, I'm just giving you. If it is a 3-bit also, you can do the same thing. I'll give you one question in 3-bit also. PQRS. Whatever data you're getting in your function, if nothing is given over here, repeating and telling you, if nothing is given over here, you can take it as A, B, C, D. Whatever expression you want, you can take it. If there is given a function term over here, you have to use that term. That too you have to write in this position also. Otherwise, if you are changing the data, all the content will be changed. Zero, 1. If for making you understand only, I am writing this. Okay. Whatever data is given, you have to first write the summation min terms. 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 12, then 14. Okay. And the min terms and the don't care terms that you're getting is, sometimes in some text it is given as D. That is also same. You can give it as X, D, something like that. I'm giving X over here. 4. Then what you got? 9. Okay. I'm giving one more term over here, 13. So I'm giving 13 also X. So how can you group the data? This I am giving, it is not a, just to make you understand only, I have given it in the second place. Okay, second time. Okay, now how you can group? You can generally see that the two columns consist of 1 and x only. Look. So what happens? I can group this together. And when I'm seeing the PQ side, what happens? Everything will be changing. If you were taking the 4 sides, you can understand that all the change will be there. P is changing from 0, 0, then to 1. You can't take that. Q is also changing from 0 to 1. You can't take that. So you have to directly go for R and S. R and S, R is not changing. It is 0 to 0 and S is 0 to 1. Isn't it? It is 0 to 0. S is taken for 0 to 1. So you can't take S. You can take R. And that too it is 0. You can give R bar. Plus. That term is over. Then you want to consider this as a 4-bit data. Isn't it? You can take, if you want to take this, you have to take this as a 4-bit data. So you can take this. Corresponding, what is the data over here? P bar. And the data over here which is not changing is S. This is P bar and this is S. Okay. Plus. Now I have to consider these two terms. Here I can't group this with any other because all the terms around this is 0. No terms are there. No don't care is given over there. No 1 is given over there. So it is taken as 0. So what happens? Look of this. For taking this, I can consider this also, no? As a 4-bit data. Isn't it? So, I can take this. Corresponding will get P bar, Q bar, and here the data can't be taken. And in this case, look, no don't care is there, nothing is there. I can't do anything, so I have to group it in a single bit. And you will get it as P, Q, R, S bar. Corresponding P, Q, R, S. Okay. Now I think you understood how to do the question. Sometimes it will be given as a 3-bit plus the don't care. Everything will be in a, if it is in a 3-bit data, everything will be in 3-bit. If it is a 4-bit data, everything will be in 4-bit data. So depending, don't think that your data will be, this will be 3-bit and this is 4-bit. No, it won't come. And either 0 to 8 where 0 to 7 where ഇതിനകത്ത് sequence ഉള്ളൂ എങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 0 to 7 sequence കാണത്തുള്ളൂ എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞത്. No, it won't go beyond that if it is a 3-bit. Okay. And if in the question design and implement it if giving, you have to write P, Q, R, S. So you know, for easy method of drawing, you can give all the terms what is there. P, P bar, Q, Q bar, R, R bar, S, S bar. Design and implement. If the question is given like that, it means you have to implement that. Now your question you are getting, first one is R bar. So you can give directly a connection to R. This is R bar. And then you got P bar. So you're noting this and getting P bar. S. So that is into. So your answer is P bar S. Next, P bar, Q bar. P bar, Q bar. Next you're getting P, Q, R, S bar. And this is all are added together. So you're giving it to a adder. You will get function. A function. Okay, this is how you are implementing. Suppose in the question it is given that you have to convert it to a NAND gate. Okay, how to convert it to a NAND gate. That we'll be discussing in the next class. Okay, thank you.